Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive guide on the proper installation of TECHNO BOND 8865TX, an exceptional two-part polyurethane adhesive sealer engineered for the demands of the construction and food industries. Ensuring optimal performance and realizing the full properties of this product begins with meticulous attention to detail in its handling and application. Let's delve into the critical steps. Firstly, storage is paramount. Maintain the cartridges in a controlled environment, precisely at 22 degrees Celsius, with humidity levels below 60%. These conditions are vital for preserving the product's integrity and performance. When preparing for use, meticulously remove the retaining nut and cap from the cartridge. This initial step facilitates the precise dispensing of parts A and B, crucial for achieving the desired results. Loading the cartridge into the applicator gun requires precision alignment of the push plates. This ensures smooth and consistent flow during dispensing, vital for accurate application. Prior to attaching the static mixer, extrude a small quantity of the product without it. This action ensures an equal and balanced distribution of parts A and B, a fundamental prerequisite for achieving the product's full mechanical and chemical properties. Upon attaching the static mixer, securely fasten it with the retaining nut. Activate the dispensing lever to commence the flow. Purge a small amount to eliminate any potential air entrapment within the mixer, thereby guaranteeing a homogeneous mix and optimal performance. During application, follow the designated guidelines for usage, adhering to recommended thicknesses and coverage rates for the desired outcomes. Post-application, meticulous cleanup is imperative. Remove the static mixer and retaining nut. Thoroughly cleanse both openings of the cartridge to prevent cross-contamination and securely replace the caps. By diligently following these steps, you not only ensure the proper hardening and curing of TECHNO BOND 8865TX, but also unlock its full range of mechanical and chemical properties, guaranteeing a result that meets the highest standards of performance and durability. Thank you for tuning in to our guide on TECHNO BOND 8865TX installation. For further inquiries or assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us.